Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, what's up, yo? Now that's nice. I like that. That's pretty badass. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, what you into tonight?
Chilling with my friends.
Chilling with your friends? That's what's up. I'm on this motherfucking Omegle site, man. I don't know whether it's a talk thing or a fucking jack-off fest. I'm not really for certain.
I'll fucking get it.
Yeah, I don't know either, bro, because I swear to God, like, at least 10 people has had their dick in their hand on this thing, man, and it's weird.
I think you scared the boy.
That's what's up, that's what's up. Hello. Don't let the hair fool you. Hello.
Oh my god, are you a YouTuber?
Who, me? Yeah, I'm part of a YouTube group. What's up?
I watch y'all.
Do you? Well, that's awesome. We appreciate that.
I'm a big fan.
You're a big fan? Are you? I hear you. Where are you from?
California.
You're from California? That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, that's way far away from where I'm at.
Where you live?
I'm from West Virginia. Yep, from West Virginia. So is it hot out there right now?
No.
No? It gets like wintertime in California?
I'm actually in.
You ain't gotta tell me. You're good.
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't gotta tell me. You're good.
I'm gonna go tell all my friends that I just met you. They're gonna be so shocked.
Alright, that's what's up.
Huh?
I said that's what's up.
Okay, bye. Nice meeting you.
Alright, nice meeting you too. What the hell? What's up, yo? You were having a blast, ain't you? You need to stay. You got to stay out of your daddy's liquor cabinet. I swear to God.
More like meth.
You're not supposed to breathe the fumes.
They look like they're tripping on fucking trains right now.
Oh, wait a minute. You're a bird. What kind of bird? You're being a parakeet of some sort. Or... Hey, I don't know if you get like a check or anything, but if you need a good lawyer...
No, I'm just being stupid.
Okay, that's what's up. I was just making sure.
Yeah. I'm just bored, so.
I hear you. You come on here often on Omegle?
No, not that much.
Not that much. How old are you? You don't look old enough to be on Omegle.
Wait, are you on YouTube?
Yeah, I do YouTube.
Am I on YouTube?
Not at this very moment, no. No, we gotta edit it. We're gonna keep what we want to keep, you know. Because there's a lot of stuff on here that I'm not showing.
Can I be in it?
Yeah, we gotta blur a lot out, but yeah. I mean, you know, we just. Yeah, you might make the cut. You're pretty funny.
Yeah, see a tweet when you see a tweet. We be rolling out.
How many Red? I just want to know how many Red Bulls did you have?
I've had probably like, ooh, is that weed?
No, it's tobacco.
Does it taste good?
No, never. It's actually really bad. It's actually really bad for you. Yeah, it's not good for you at all. Huh? Why do I smoke it? Yeah, I don't know. I a rough start in life, you know. Started rubbing snuff when I was, I don't know, 3 years old. Is that a chihuahua in the background?
Oh yeah, that's my dinner.
That's your dinner?
Yeah.
So you're having Mexican. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Who's laughing?
Oh, I've got people in the background they're watching.
Hello, sir. May I have some candy?
No, I'm about to decline candy. No. Last time I handed candy out of a van, you know. No, I'm just kidding. I'm playing. Yeah, the founder. I got the founder and editor of CVG back here. Did you just give yourself a wedgie?
He won't wedgie himself and put it on his head for content.
You won't wedgie yourself and put it over top of your head for content. He's really trying hard.
He gonna go my butt crack. I'm from Arizona.
You're from Arizona?
Tucson.
Tucson, Arizona. It must be hot there, like a lot.
It's motherfucking cold over here.
Is it cold in Arizona? How the hell does it get cold in Arizona?
I got no motherfucking idea.
Yeah, I mean, y'all's in the desert. Does it ever snow in Arizona?
This dude's on some crack, man.
No.
It never snows in Arizona?
No.
No offense to you, but you remind me of a kid that got into a bottle of his father's, like, I don't know, mini thins. Like, you're just all hyped up, like you drank every Mountain Dew in the house and some Oreos.
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Tweet, tweet. How far does the camera go? What, you want a laptop or what?
Yes, sir. Around and around and around and around. Around and around. Hey, follow me.
I gotta put that tobacco down. It's gonna kill me. Oh, Lord.
Oh, look what I found.
Did you really find... I knew you'd been drinking tonight. You better stop it.
Oh, wait.
Is that how you want your father to know that you're drinking these boozes on YouTube?
I smacked the fuck out of him.
Take the drink right
Will
now,
you?
do it, make the spot.
I smacked the fuck out of him.
He said he'll smack the fuck out. Now, I put that on YouTube. Smack the fuck out your dad. I put that on YouTube.
Slam your head in the refrigerator.
No, I'm not going to have him to do all that. That's mean. I have children.
Probably hyped up enough to do it, though.
So's your...
Yes,
Oh, that's amazing. That's funny as shit. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to say you probably made it. You took me back to when I was younger and I used to drink because it's like the room is spinning.
You spin me round.
Yeah, right? Brought to you in part by Prozac.
I'm downhill. I'm downhill. Hello, everybody. It's Elmo. Let's grab a shotgun and let's kill everybody.
Okay.
Elmo, 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 Elmo.
He's singing Elmo. I just want to know who left you home alone. Where are your parents? Are they asleep? They don't know about what's going
My
on?
dad's in jail. My mom, I don't know where the hell she is.
Your dad is not in jail. Really?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to call you a liar because you might be telling the truth. But then again, you know, you might be fucking with me too. Who knows? I hope your dad's not in jail.
My dad's in jail for being a stupid ass.
No, that happens to stupid asses. I was a stupid ass once, so I understand.
It looks like it.
Yeah. You said it looks like I'm a stupid ass?
Yes.
Wow. It's like you've known me your whole life.
Wicked tongue action.
It looks like a wiener.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but with one ball.
I know not to go to Arizona now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm staying the fuck away from Arizona. Hey, you have a great night.
No.
You can push the mic in, by the way.
No, it's good. It's good. It works out. It's good. It's
I'm
good.
talking about the headset mic.
No, I can do it. Hey, yeah. That's why she
Hey,
did it, bro.
is you on YouTube?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes.
Is you already on YouTube right now?
No, we actually still gotta do
let us
editing.
on your screen.
Can we be on your stream?
Yeah, we put you in it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Be
Yeah, we
alright.
just gotta edit it. That's all we got to do.
Okay.
Are you
Hey,
editing right now?
you know how to see, Country Roads?
Yeah.
A little
The song? Sing me some Country Roads.
Oh.
I know, Old Town Road.
Yeah, everybody know Old Town Road.
Let's see.
Country Roads is like, country road, take me home to the place.
You see what we playing Madden?
I belong. Is it 21 or 22?
22.
Yo,
I like that 21, man, that Face of the Franchise. I've been playing that. I've been getting into that here
yeah,
lately.
that's what I be doing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it.
So you going, what's your YouTube?
Huh?
What's your YouTube channel?
We're the CVG Network.
What? You said what again?
CVG Network.
DDG Network?
C
C.
C
V
B
G.
Q?
No,
G.
yeah,
I mean
G.
G?
Yeah, Network.
Network. Don't know how to spell network?
Yeah, Network.
I know how to spell it. Right there. Oh, there you go. Oh, let's go. First down.
Somebody like Kansas City.
Are you good at Madden?
You like Kansas City?
Who, me? I'm a Bills fan, but I mean, I'm decent at Madden. I'm not the best. I used to be, but you know, I'm 43 years old and I can't
You
really
got
see
a
the
kid?
screen. I got 4 kids. I got a 16-year-old, an
Is
8-year-old.
this you?
You guys play any sports?
Is this you?
Wait.
That's why you can't see the fucking screen.
Yeah, Chemical Valley Gaming.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that should be it.
Yeah,
That's
that's
you?
that's who he is.
So we gonna be on your YouTube?
Yeah, well, we'll put you on there.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Y'all have a great night.
You too.
How do we hang
Skip
up?
this.
Yeah, don't feel bad. I don't know how to skip either. It's awesome though. This is my first time on Omegle. Y'all be careful on here, man, because there's some weird, twisted people on here.
I know.
Yeah, I know, right? I was going through it earlier, and I swear to God, this dude was like in his bed, like staring at me. I was like, okay, you can stop that now. Go ahead and hit the skip button. I know I'm not his type.
All right, bro.
Yeah. All right, bro. You have a good one.
Let's go.
That's what's up.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fantastic. Where are you from?
Canada. What about you?
You're from where?
Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm from West Virginia. Not as cold, but you know, still same basic concept. We still like maple syrup and hockey.
Nice.
So what part of Canada are you from?
New Brunswick.
New Brunswick. I know about Toronto. That's about it. I'm a Blue Jays fan. Big Blue Jays fan.
Nice.
Yeah, I like the Blue Jays. They're a really good team. So what y'all doing tonight? You're clearly in
Getting
Oh yeah? Yeah, hold on. Let me pull out my tobacco pipe. I'll smoke to that. I definitely will. See, if I were in Colorado, this would be legal. But because I'm here in the...
This is legal.
Yeah, up there, and where I'm from, you know.
Because I'm underage.
Huh?
You too, I'm underage, so it's legal.
Really?
It's like to do it even from
So you can do it when you're underage.
That's what's up. I'm gonna have to move to Canada. Except for the cold, I don't think I could get over that 20 below. I don't know if I could do that. It's...
Is the cat? Oh my god, the cat's still in.
Yeah, she's always in here. I like the black one though.
So you're.
Hi!
Oh, hey, how you doing? What'd you do? Hack it? You were. What'd you do? Like fucking rapid skip?
You can't escape me.
Oh. Mm.
I feel sorry for your mother.
Do you?
Yeah,
Don't worry, that feeling is so mutual.
I know. That's why you're stupid.
That's why I'm stupid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's because I'm from West Virginia. That's why I'm stupid.
Oh, that makes sense.
One book and a beer.
Yeah. But at least I'm not from Arizona.
I know.
How are y'all going to have a football team called the Cardinals in a desert full of buzzards? That's what we're going to do right now. I'm smoking my crack baby. Hey, how you doing?
Otra vez.
Hey, it's you again, Venezuela.
I sing.
Hey, Venezuela.
Yay!
Hey.
Brutal.
Arepas.
¿Cómo que?
Y'all look like y'all are having.
Maduro. Arena. Vamos que dale. Ya lo ves. ¿Estás fumando?
¿Qué?
Qué rico.
LOL, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Seré la gata bajo la lluvia y maullaré por ti.
That's awesome. Y'all actually sang for me.
Yay!
Thank you very much for singing to me. Makes me feel very good inside.
Instagram.
Yeah, very good inside.
You Instagram. You Instagram.
I don't think I do Instagram.
You
I don't know
have
if you do
Instagram.
Yeah, we
Yes.
I guess we do have
Yeah.
Instagram. Nobody ever uses it.
Ya.
No.
Ya va.
I like pussy.
No.
I bet you do. Most men do.
Yeah.
Just depends. I don't have no idea how old you are, so I'm not going to get too vulgar with you. But you know, it just depends on what you're into.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, I'm just saying. You said you like pussy, so I know for me, it's just whatever you're into. At least y'all ain't like the Americans over here eating ass. I don't even know what the hell's up with that.
Aquí se le dice totona.
Tatisa de
Totona.
Torta. What's that? Yeah, whatever it was funny. I got that.
Yeah, ya va. Cuca.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Cuca.
Kuka. You trying to get me to say words that I don't understand? I could do that all day long. Hey, hold on one second though. If we're gonna do words I can't understand, hold on. I got you. Ready?
Yes.
Ya va, voy a poner traductor aquí, chamo. Espera. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Wait, mom. Wait.
Yeah, yes.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm white. Yeah, kind of. A little bit. Jesus Christ, I can't even see myself through the monitor.
Como que no me cuadra. Yo pensé que iba a decir.
I sing again.
No.
Ay.
You say Totona.
I will say Totona.
No, chamo.
What's it mean?
Dios.
Totona. Look it up.
Dios mío. Pass me your. Give me your Instagram. Follow us.
Give me your Instagram.
Cállate.
They want the Instagram.
Give me your Instagram to follow us.
Hold on, we got you.
Give me.
We're working on that right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, I'm
Fine.
I think you spelled the word network right.
Yeah, thank you.
Wait.
What moment?
Wait.
One moment.
Right.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I don't. Oh, thank God my weed didn't spill, dude. Because I had my bowl upside down. That's never good. What the fuck am I trying to do?
Ya va. Pero síguelo primero.
Sí, que te sigan después.
Ya va, espera. Wait.
Wait, moment.
Hey,
Hi, my
I'm not
name
trying to
is-
sound funny or nothing, but if that was you guys typing, I swear to God, it was like you were typing on the world's biggest cell phone.
Okay.
Ya, déjame volverlo rápido. Continúa, continúa.
Chama, ya va. Es que
¿Quién lo
ya,
diría?
es muy-
Que se podía
¿Cuál es
hacer el amor
Ya
por
va, es que-
telepatía.
espera. ¿Cómo empieza? Que no lo...
Sylvania?
Okay. Ya va. Silvana.
Yes,
Sylvana.
yes,
Sylvana.
yes.
Okay, Sylvana.
My name is Oliver.
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 Oliver?
My name is Oliver.
Oliver.
Yes.
My name is Louisiana. Louisiana.
That is a very...
Luciana.
Louisiana.
Louisiana?
Yes.
Yes.
Silvana,
Very
Oliver,
pretty. Very pretty
Luciana.
names. Very pretty names. And those two, hey, and those two girls' names ain't half bad either, buddy. No, I'm just messing with you. I'm fucking around. Yeah, I was just fucking
What
around.
is your name?
My name
What's
is
your name?
My name is Will.
Will.
Yeah,
Good.
Will.
Fine.
No parece. ¿Cuántos cigarros? No, ya. ¿Cuál de los? Ya voy. Ya voy.
One moment.
No problem. Go ahead.
Ya voy. Escribe
No
rápido.
aparece, no aparece.
No será ese.
No creo, no sé.
Did you?
Sí, no, sí.
Ah, ok.
Ok, dale
Ya,
para que
ya,
veas que
ya.
lo estamos.
Yeah, mama. William.
What's up?
You?
It's your.
It's you?
It's your.
Yes.
It's
that-
your.
Yes.
Yes.
CVG.
Sí.
Okay.
Yes.
Follow.
Panas.
Follow you.
Follow you.
Yes. Definitely follow. Definitely follow. We appreciate it. That's what's up. We thank you for the follow.
What?
Okay.
What is your name?
María, que gracias por el...
De nada. You're good.
Okay.
Welcome.
Do-
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes. You're welcome is correct.
welcome.
Yes.
Yes.
Very.
Yes.
Yes.
Ay, qué pena.
But yeah.
Bueno,
Bye.
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 Hey, thanks for talking. Y'all have a wonderful night.
Bye.
Yes.